Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy crypto at Binance. First, you'll need to create an account and complete the identity verification process. This ensures a secure trading environment. Once verified, you can fund your account using various methods like bank transfers or card deposits. Navigate to the Buy Crypto section on the Binance platform to begin your purchase journey. Next, select your preferred purchase method. Binance offers options such as credit or debit card payments, direct bank transfers, or peer-to-peer trading. Each method has different fees and processing times, so choose what best suits your needs. Then, simply enter the amount of fiat currency, like US dollars, you wish to spend. Now, select the specific cryptocurrency you want to acquire, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Carefully review all your order details, including the amount and the current price, before proceeding. Once you are satisfied, confirm the transaction. Your new crypto will then be processed and added to your Binance wallet shortly. Finally, your newly purchased cryptocurrency will appear in your spot wallet on Binance. From there, you have several options. You can choose to hold your assets, trade them for other cryptocurrencies, or withdraw them to an external wallet. Don't forget to explore other Binance features like staking or earning opportunities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.